Hi, today we're talking about contact form. This is a simple form which can help keep track of all the contacts of the users who are coming for a business or any other purposes. So as you can see in this form, we have got the first name, last name, email, website, and any message that the user wants to leave. And once all the details are filled, we'll be capturing the details in this responses view. As you can see, it has already been captured over here. So let me quickly delete this particular response and let me edit this part as well, as it is a contact form. And let's go back to the form builder, and what we'll do is we'll simply click on share form, click on copy form link so that it can be exposed to the users. And once you provide this URL to the users, they will be able to fill in the form details from their own end. So I'm going to quickly fill in some details. As you can see, I'm filling in details. It is automatically going to capture everything on their own end. And let's pass in some message. So all the details are filled in, and let me click on submit. Once I click on that, you can see the response has been submitted. And if I go back to the responses view, the exact entry has been captured over here in this particular window. Okay, so this is how quickly you can utilize this form to capture the details of the users once you expose the correct URL to the users. Besides this, also wanted to talk about a new tool, PDF Output, which can help you generate PDF documents in bulk, utilizing Google Document as a template, and it works with Google Sheet as well as Notion database, which provides a source of the information from the database. So you can generate bulk invoice documents or any other documents that the business would need for personal or commercial use cases. I've added a video demonstration of how you can generate invoice documents in bulk, so you can watch this out to understand how this will function. If you have any queries, please reach out to me at notionformyuse@gmail.com, and I will be happy to help you on any of the concerns. Thank you. Have a great day.